All right, so we got our trachea and esophagus going down there behind the heart and lungs. Stomach.
Is at the point.
What's this guy right here? The stomach?
That's the stomach.
Yeah, right next to the liver. Yeah.
This is called the ligament of Treece.
Treece.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's cool. Look at that.
And there's this is the jejunum.
Mm-hmm.
Or no, I think the jejunum's first. I can't remember now.
The small intestine.
The small intestine,
yeah. Large intestine.
So the large intestine folds over like this, and it should be the ascending colon right here. That's a big part coming up.
Mm-hmm.
Transverse colon's here. Then the descending colon goes down to the rectum.
Or no, that's all small intestine, isn't it?
No, the rectum.
And this is the large intestine.
Yeah, here. Right there, yeah.
Yeah.
So this is, where's that turn? Yeah, so this is the transverse colon. This is the ascending colon. And so this is the hepatic flexure. So where it comes.
They did feed him some.
Yeah, there's something in there.
There's poop in there. Right here, look, right where it connects to the bottom.
Yeah, there's some nuggets up here too. So if you follow it backwards, there is, find the end. That's the rectum down there. Rectum, how it killed him. Been waiting to say that one.
Good. Good for you.
Then that's interesting how it comes across like there. That's the omentum. See that? It has veins and arteries in it, and it holds the intestine together, but it allows it to flop around in there.
Right.
And then you had the splenic flexure, which is to turn right by the spleen, which is right there. The hepatic flexure, which is to turn right by the liver. And then if you follow it down here, it turns into the small intestine. Large intestine turns into the small intestine, right about there.
Right.
And that's the appendix.
Yeah.
Appendicitis.
Yeah. Little guy. Let's find some kidneys. There's one.
There's one bean.
Big old kidneys.
Yeah, she's probably in. So point it with your pointer.
Yep, we got a kidney there.
Then we come on the other side.
The kidney there. Yeah.
Ooh, she had pyelonephrosis.
What's that?
That's where she had an obstruction in her kidney.
Hmm.
Actually, it looks like a cyst right there, like a kidney cyst. That little dude right there.
That's not normal.
That is not normal.
Well.
The kidneys, you can see why they call them beans.
Yeah, definitely. And kidney beans are a lot like kidneys.
Yeah. And they go into the ureter. Yeah, you're never going to see her bladder, though. Her bladder's tiny. It'll be right down. The ureter goes right through on top of this muscle, which is the filet mignon. That's it right there. Tenderloin.
Not much on her.
No.
No.
Other psoas. All right, so that's your kidneys. You didn't go over your heart and lungs. So trachea goes down to...
Down into the lungs. Right here. Behind the heart.
Right behind
We'll
the
go
heart.
ahead and remove the heart. So we can see behind it on the aorta. It's all very blue and red, though.
So there's
it's all dyed into nonsense back there. You can't really see much of it.
It just kind of fuses together. Yeah, all the atriums blew up when they filled the dye up. That's what
really?
Yeah, they blew up.
It just destroyed itself?
Yeah, it just kind of exploded. There's pieces that's why this is all blue. It all leaked out onto that guy. So they got a little overzealous with their pressures.
Dye. New dye guy. Yeah, but there's your lungs.
They got your lungs right next to each other. Here's your aortic arch.
Yep.
Coming across, and it dives down into the descending aorta. It gives branches to the carotids and the
That's amazing.
subclavians. You know, pull the lungs out of there.
Mm-hmm.
You can see behind them.
I did that remarkably well,
Yeah,
considering.